Hey guys, please subscribe my channel Bhavya GlamGirl and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update from Bhavya GlamGirl.
Hello everyone, welcome to Bhavya GlamGirl and you're watching me Bhavya.
So guys, in today's video I will be telling you about 3-step nightly ritual to keep your winter skin hydrated. So let's get started and watch these 3 steps. Winters and dry skin go hand in hand. Falling temperature, harsh cold winds and reducing humidity takes a toll on the skin, causing dryness, flakiness or cracking. Just as we pull out blankets and put on layers of warm clothes, similarly we need to adjust our skincare routine in sync with the season's requirement to enjoy this chilly weather at its best. This simple 3-step ritual is the right mix of cleansing, hydrating and calming properties essential to maintain healthy skin all winter long. So here is how to prepare your skin at night to wake up to a radiant glow every morning. Step number 1 is cleansing. Cleansers tend to strip your skin of its oils in the process of removing dirt and pollutants. To avoid dry, flaky skin, switch to oil-based cleansers that will help your skin retain moisture. Also, go easy on scrubbing as it can be abrasive to dry and sensitive winter skin. It is advisable to limit exfoliation to once or twice a week. Step number 2 is moisturizing. There is nothing like a hot shower or cold evenings. However, don't indulge in them for too long as it can dry out your skin. Applying after shower cream or body butter is an excellent way to lock in moisture and keep your skin soft and nourished. Cocoa and shea butter are some of the winter favorites, popular for their glowing velvety texture. Step number 3. Rejuvenating. Nighttime rest is significant to restore your skin from withing. Certain winter wear fabrics like wool can irritate skin. Wrap yourself in soft, comfortable fabrics and layer up with a warm blanket to let your skin sleep restfully. Snuggle in cozy socks for extra warmth. If you put on a heater at night to maintain the temperature in your room, a humidifier can be helpful in protecting your skin from drying out while you are asleep. So friends, in today's video we got to know about 3-step nightly ritual to keep your winter skin hydrated. I hope you all like this video and follow this night skincare routine during this winter.
If you liked our today's video, then give me a hit thumbs up, and if you have any query related to the beauty, you can comment me below in the comment section. Till then, stay happy and stay beautiful with me. Bye.